Hi everybody, I'm going to make a really quick YouTube tutorial on how to fade a color from dark to light. A lot of kids are forgetting how to do this, and I want to also show you how to add the water so you can do it on your own. So first things first, you are going to pick a color and make sure that it's sharpened up really well. Also make sure you're using a watercolor pencil of some kind, either Crayola watercolor or Reeves. You are then going to press really hard, okay, with your watercolor pencil. And as you go across the box, you are going to gradually let up your pressure, okay? So as you get towards the center of the box, you should be at medium pressure, okay? So I'm letting up the pressure. On the right-hand side of the box, I should be at the lightest pressure possible. Okay, letting off to the white of the paper, something that looks like that. Now right now my fade looks a little bit weak, so I'm going to give it one more coat and then I'm going to fix the edges. Okay, so I'm going to go over it one more time just to make sure that it's more gradual, it has more drama. So hard pressure, medium pressure, and then letting up to lightest pressure. Now at this point in time, you guys told me that coloring inside the lines, coloring in one direction, and also no white splotches or blotches is really important. So I'm gonna go back in and then the same direction, fix the edges. Okay, so I'm pressing hard here because that's hard pressure, letting up to medium pressure here, okay? And this is lighter medium, lighter medium, lighter medium. So see how I'm keeping the direction the same? And then I'm letting up to lightest pressure. Okay, so I have something that looks like this right here. Okay, I'm not gonna fix that top edge just in the interest of time. Now, a couple notes. Okay, before we get started with adding the water, okay, make sure all of the boxes on your page are filled in with color, okay? If you add the water to one box, you're gonna have something soggy and soppy, and then it's gonna get all over everywhere. So make sure that you've done all of your color fades and that they look amazing. Circles, do not do the circles yet. They're too hard for us, okay? From here, you have a variety of paintbrushes, okay? You have Mr. Point paintbrush, his little hairdo comes to a point. You have flat paintbrushes, okay, where it's flat across the top. Which paintbrush do you think you should use for something that's a rectangle, something that has straight lines and edges? Probably something that's going to be easy for you to paint in a straight line, which looks like this, okay? Mr. Flat Top is really good at doing this, whether or not you have artistic abilities. If you hold them correctly and use the right size of tool for the job, you're good. This right here says 8. This is a medium range. It's on the smaller side of the medium range for a flat top. This will work perfectly for this space that I'm about to fill in, okay? So watch me one more time with the water. Okay, so with the water, I'm gonna take this paintbrush, and the first thing I'm gonna do is outline it. Okay, now just a reminder, this copy paper does not want to absorb the water. Nope, it doesn't. Okay, and I'm also just gonna keep it from light into dark. Okay, right on that edge. Now, the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it in the direction of the my strokes, and also I'm going to fade it from lightest to darkest. Okay, what would happen if I went the opposite way? What would happen if I added the water here and dragged it this way? What do you think would happen? Okay, I would make my whole box that dark orange color, and that's not really what I'm looking for. Does this paper want to absorb the water? No, it does not. It looks like crazy and messy, but when it dries, it's actually going to have good craftsmanship, and it's going to be faded from dark into light. Okay? So hopefully at this point in time, you can do this on your own, okay? Make sure you're using the best tool for the job, the flat top, okay? Make sure you're holding it at these metal notches right here so you have control over your water, and you're good to go. Okay, good luck.